wa dilotsi go sa irate nko mpoditse gore ga o rate Thabiso I stop wasting my time wena o busy le ngwanyana gago ka makala man o go bedroom you don't answer my phone ke motlhodi wa eng for o ntshite Thabiso ka banyana ba ba 100 and something So we say listen na hola mo boy aya go ke a bo sinka go di sela tsamile la bera la bo we khetsetso yo tsana go yo kreya ngwanyana a itele ngwanyana o flinkisa ke marago ya ne shem motho a phela botlhoko a phela botlhoko mo lenyalong o iphelela botlhoko motho mo lenyalong motho ka ya kono o divorce a ntlwele he nke a ntlogetse kgale gore we've been fighting after lenyalo for so many times I'm botse gore ene o tla change but this is what he chose to do yeah I repeat conclusion
yabantase ayihlala phansi ke sanhlala phansi yewethu seniyivilele ka Kgaleletsang no Thabiso Kgaleletsang kuphela ku Precious ke mamelani ke into yenzekayo xa ba these two met back in the day 11 years ago yabo hayi nyani badibane anyani bengumjolo nyani be trust after that nyani uthe hayi vulela namandwendwe go 2022 kuthiwe hayi amandwendwe mawavulelwe bantase nyana amandwendwe avulelwe anyani beyilonto bantase bachata beautiful wedding 2022 yava ayike aqale ke ugel ke ngoku abane poster xa ethanda ligift ngumuntu wakhe uyayiposta uyamposta umuntu wakhe xa ehamba yoswipe imali eziphezulu ahambe aposte into nokubana hey maman yava like ezo vibes zinjalo yabona bantase ezo vibes zoba umuntu aposte into nokubana hey mna kufuneka ni understand into nokubana andikho kula level yo FF abathe yava level yam go Gucci no Louis Vuitton and all of that understand hayi ke fine bantase qhubeke ke relationship sengumtshato ke ngoku qhubeke kumtshato bantase qhubeke kumtshato at some point kuthiwa wayeposta ne proof of payment xa busendulwe ngumuntu wakhe 35,000 kwathini hayi ke to top it all off bantase kwathenga Porsche umuntu wakhe wathenga iPorsche hayi ke after ethenga iPorsche hayi ke bantase heyo yayi sisikhwenkwane esithi kulomfana into lokubana I give you i-authority itikiti loba uhambe uyofeka yandase so kusibone njani ba uyafeka sibone ngoske bantase amane post I think upost apha kumatch ugirl yahamba nomuntu wakhe yahamba nomuntu wakhe jive nomuntu wakhe ke esenze izijive simpundu yava ijive nomuntu wakhe i-caption yakhe yabe isithi into nokubana hey guys noba usathana angathini asoze nilunge because umtshato wami usaqina usathe malatha ava uthoyele xa abantu bebesebemkrobele ba umtshato unayo into engantengayo kwathi phofu noba abantu abakrobelanga wena uyakrobela apha enhlizweni baye umtshato wami noko awudingi nezazikhukhula zikhukhula iKZN sometimes umtshato wami noba ungathi ungapatyalaka yaqo so hayi ke ava poste zonto zinjalo ke bantu asaposte zonto zinjalo hayi fine after iposte lezonto zinjalo kwacaba ke ngokubantu hayi akakwazi unyamezela la video beyipostile sithi umtshato wakho uthemala katha akho kudala kulapho kulonyaka nango ke ngoku seposta abantu esithi into nokubana ya okruquke finish yena indoda yakhe kwathi sathi thina hayi ma pressure kwenzeke into ngoku umntazi ubuye happy nje kungekudala iske yathi lento uthi lantase into nokubana uprecious into nokubana indoda yakhe ijole nabantu noba bayi-100 phofu ngabafumane efowunini apha bayi-100 yava over 100 uthi over 100 and ukujole into eziqinileyo but ke ngoku kukho aphuma naye caba ngurifile ke ngoku lo abeka kuyiblame into nokubana hayi sisi uqhawule umtshato wam wena rifilwe yava caba uThabiso ebesebathroom ngava yafona uMaprish baThabiso uphuma nini ebathroom kunini usebathroom uThabiso akabamfoni phone Maprish Thabiso akabamfoni Thabiso uphuma ebathroom sengumuntu onxibayo bantase othi andihlelanga kukhapho nileqa khona wabe eqhushumba uPrecious into nokubana uleqa phi kwathini ispenda kanjani 4 days Thabiso ungekho kwakho abantwana uthi bathini kwathini wabe shawutisa uMaprish wabe esithi uThabiso unditya ngexesha mfazi nditya ngexesha ndilindiwe mna ndine-appointment noba ziyi-20 kule 100 wena yabantu uyibonileyo hayi qhushumba wesuMaprish ke ngoku waba-approacha bonke bantase one by well I don't know about bonke there but bantase kuthiwa oko a-call center efowunela la mantombazana one by one into nokubana ya wena ufilisha kanjani ujola nendoda etshatileyo kwathini phofu yarekhod yonke le lezi conversation aziheva yena la mantombi kuWhatsApp yazirekhoda aziposte kuFacebook arekhoda yonke le nto yabathuka into nokubana rha awumazi uThabiso bawutshatile nileqa le posh uthi nileqa le posh ayikho enye into nileqa amantombazana ayamphendula athi mamela ke mamazi mamela ke thina iPorsche asibanga zezinja zileqa imoto saleqa iPorsche iPorsche leqe thina soqala athende indoda le yakho sendlini and then ke ngoku uze kuthi wabe sithi uPrecious caba kungoku andathi ubutsho kulo rifilwe na into nokubana awunanhloni ujola nendoda etshatileyo kwathi nathi uMafifi akangomntu kanti xa etshatile akangomntu le nto caba kasinojola naye xa etshatile ntoni na unesifo xa etshatile kaloku sankanabhula utshatile qha umntu doesn't mean into nokubana unebhula so ungakulinge nje uthi kwathi yenze ngathi into embi ngoku ujola nendoda etshatileyo lebantase I think mna personally eyona nto ihethe uPrecious West zi-replies zalamantombazana more than find out yabona kazulala namhlanje noba kho into eme apha phofu ke uPrecious xa uyijonga lento yakhe ke ngoku abantu besiza ne-receipts from back then into nokubana hayi le relationship udala itekateka noko indoda le yakhe ingathi ine-reputation yomtshito like ayintshanga une-experience eninzi like kangomntu umtsha bantase into yomtshito because kwezi conversations bantase ezi conversations they go way back to 2024 abantu bathathwa ngo-2022 already ngo-2024 ebesenayo i-50 yakhe lo mfana estable besene-50 yakhe ye-girlfriends ezistable 2024 you understand so ke ngoku wanyuka njengoba ngo-2026 sezaba ko-100 nto nje ebantase nizawucumba ifilimu inyani le ndithethayo setshani nina urhalelelitsang Precious on Facebook nizayibona lento endithethayo nizayibona.
So after 100 women that actually you found out, after 100 women that you found that your husband was cheating on you with, not just only cheating, in the midst of everything, your husband nasa supportive, but you are very much married. Nasa supportive, bana basina uniform, bana school fees asapatelwa. In the midst of all this, in the midst of all this, you again are busy texting the other women. Bankandi pictures, someone how settled on their couch, or he chose to come to them. After all of that, you bring it on here, because it's clear that you've always known, and it's happening again and again and again, because you're saying that it's been happening for 11 years. After 100 women, what's going to change now? I get now you brought it on social media. Everyone has their takes on it. However, after 100 women, we don't know of the sexual partners that your husband has. We don't know of the kids that he has. We don't know anything. We are just observers. We are just consumers of your content. After 100 women, you still stayed, and now the content is online. Tell us gore re etse eng, because we know very well gore wena gape o tlo lokisa le monna wa gago, then rena re tlo ba really so. But either way, we are learning how these things happen. After 100 women, tell us why. Okay, now public relationship, why?
You were supposed to talk to your man. You were supposed to say hi. Thank you. When you so finish. Then throwing myself at a married man. Just because you drive a Porsche. Come on, precious.
No, that's
Think
the
about
thing.
it. Think, man, no, that's a favor. Then don't use that thing against me. Or against whatever that is going on. Not just because I can see my sister staying more. Or when I wrote to the mom was fair. Or don't buzz out, hey, I will get you. Come, I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of anyone. I can tell you, come, but don't tell her. Oh, come, I know where you stay. Here's this, say that. Oh, my sister, I moved from there. I moved. The time you're busy calling, oh, but I will like that. Oh, but I will like that. It's a go guy, go guy. Oh, dear. I'm not scared of you. I know you. I know you. I can't force it.
Hey son, these are images of a married woman just showing us what her man is doing on social media. Hey man, I don't know how it gets to this point, but I suppose she's feeling the pain that she has to show us what her man is doing. Her man is also posting on Facebook, or there's two sides to a story, there's this and that. Hey, but walk it down the aisle and then end up doing such. I mean, obviously, there are conversations of her confronting side chicks, sending her messages, sending her voice notes. Barry, why don't you talk to your man? The question was, you go sleeping around with married men. The response was, you know, I'd like to urge my sisters to stick to their own marriage. You married your person knowing them. That woman is not the one that went after your man. Your man is the one that went after that woman. If you really want to resolve this, you can just walk out of that marriage because you are not happy, there's abuse, there's this and that. But when it comes to you confronting the side chick and all that stuff, I think it's not doing any justice. Your marriage, yes, you are frustrated. No one is judging you for that. We are just saying it just looks a bit messy because you got married to your person, you got married to your person, without us being there. Of people walking down the aisle, posting on social media and stuff like that. But now when it comes to this messy stuff, when you start involving social media people and stuff like that and going after side chicks or now you're going after side chicks and all that stuff, it just looks a bit messy and it's not going to help the situation, but rather leave even the children in this toxic situation. Imagine if you now have teenage children that have to be shown or kill your mother, what trend on Facebook or exposing your father. It looks a bit messy, painful and all that stuff, but you must think about those things as well. I'm hoping this family gets to resolve their issues because it's quite sad to witness.
bafethu lesibone story sa story sa demons o driving Porsche o nyadileng bafethu re ka se di beat the allegations tsa hore banna ke dimsha ukuthi amadoda izinja angeke swabheat lawo ma allegations. We are not gonna beat them. Go etsalang it's like momzansi that the gents be securing baddies like you are married to this beautiful woman, dude. Omuhle bra, omupila or it's omupila, and you still flop. You still over fuck boy. At that age, you have a beautiful family. You have all of the like, and you still wanna be a fuck boy. Look at how this man looks, and you look at how his wife looks, and you just like, ejo neba uzama ba chance ba potential mfethu. Like when you look at all these dudes ne abashate namapedi bra, hi gabi, I'm not even judging the dudes, but bayasizama sometimes these ladies bayasizama, they see a lot of potential, they could do better and they know, but they still pick you and you still want to be a fuck boy. You still want to be a fuck boy. Just majita ne rele majita. If the ladies were to do the very same things that we are doing, nizofa nizoshona nonke, when uzolala nabayi 100 then uyolala noyi-1 uyofa uyolala noyi-1, when ulele na 100 then uyolala noyi-1 uyofa boo.
So I've been getting a lot of tags, like I said earlier on posts of a lady by the name of Halalezang Precious, because she's been exposing her husband of 11 years for cheating with more than 100 women. Somehow people who get cheated on and they stay, they think they will be rewarded for staying. My sister, I cannot emphasize enough the fact that you will never ever be rewarded for staying with a cheating man. In fact, the cheating man will one day get tired of you and the lack of self-love that you have. And a lot of people have been saying, based on the way this guy is reacting and the text messages that the lady has been posting from the guy, it shows that the guy has checked out. They will mistreat you until you are tired and then you leave. That's the reason why a lot of women are plaintiffs and not defendants when it comes to divorce. But anyway, now moving on to the issue of addressing the krach of a Mbogoto woman to actually confront side chicks. My sister, you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 50, 100, over 11 years. And you think that's normal? Hi, my sister. I strongly believe that whatever it is that you are looking for, it's not found in women. Maybe try the other gender, because clearly women don't have that thing, because you can't go over more than 100 women and you have a wife and children. Now, when it comes to women that the wife, Precious, has been confronting, saying, don't you know this guy is married? Why are you throwing yourself at a married man? The reason why, my sister, you are here today is because you never held your man accountable. The blame is on the woman. The woman must have integrity. Therefore, you must always confront the woman and ask her, you don't know this man is married. The woman, just because you have integrity doesn't mean everybody has integrity, and nobody owes you. Integrity is for you. It's not for other people to give you integrity because you gave them. It's for yourself. And some people really don't take relationships that personal, to a point where when they're sleeping with your husband, it's literally them saying, please borrow me your AirPods, I'll bring them back. I'm not taking them forever. I just want to use them to climax, then I'll bring them back. You get me? So to some people, actually borrowing your partner's tutulos to do their thing is not a big deal. You guys are in a competition of who will divorce who first. And shame, it's not doing good for the kids. Like, guys, let it rest. I saw somebody sharing a proof of payment where the husband sent the wife 35,000 back in 2024, and the caption was, so if he's busy sending you money like this and you're posting about it, you think other women won't want him. I mean, I always say, if I'm in a relationship and it's flourishing, I will brag about my person. Nobody's gonna stop me. But if the relationship is not working out, I'm still gonna say it didn't work out. So bravo to you, my sister, for being able to brag about it when it was working out, or showing off, or just appreciating how you wanna appreciate your man. And now that it's not working out, we appreciate the feedback of you coming to us and saying, hey, for whatever reason you decided to expose it. You understand? Because obviously us on the internet, we are just shocked. We are just learning. We are just babasing. Ha, ho, he, hey. The whole day. That's all we can ever do. Mara, to be quite honest with you, my sister, I think you need to really accept. And not only accept, but take your time. A whole lot of time. You're going to pass through a lot of stages, but eventually you'll be fine. At some point, when you are dealing with a cheating spouse, you must either accept that you are married to a dog, or you must pack your bags and leave. Because if you think whenever you are going to survive marriage by chasing after the women that your husband is cheating with, and you can count up to 100 plus, my sister, you could have started another business on top of the one that you already have, and you'll be making money. But you're using that time to chase the husband side chicks. No, you can do better, and I wish you all the best. And I know you'll bounce back. We did. Look at me. I'm flourishing. I bounce back. You can do it too.
Joe lenyalo le bokete lebo lenyalo le boima o swaka o le kuketse eng ke mang a rileng o kuke lenyalo why o kuka lenyalo because ga o le kuka le tla go ketefalela ga o le kuka o tla tswa dikgoka nkare o kuka ditshipi hey e tla re o feta fa le bogote bathong o sareganga ka letse yana ka ditshika ele tsetse hanya thayana ele accuracy a tsule dipotongwane yana o jima kae ga jimi o imetswe ke lenyalo ka gore o le kukile. Now let me tell you something. Lenyalo ga o le kuki, my love, mo lenyalong you play your part and you give it your best, and if the next person is not doing as much, now you know what to do. I don't need to say it. Ga ile gore la go imela o le baya fatshe, ga re go le bokete o le baya fatshe on the ground mo tapeting lenyalo leo le imele le fatshe le ska imela wena. Ga ile gore motho o ratanang le ene ga a diri tse di matshwanedi, ga a responsible as they should mo lenyalong o le baya fatshe, my love, ga o le cookie. When I play your part, love them wholeheartedly, take care of them, compromise when you have to, create memories, be a responsible partner, be available, be there, love your partner loudly. But if they don't reciprocate as much, if they do not equally reciprocate as much, then you know gore ga o le cookie o le baya fatshe, ga o le mogolo o tla ntlhaloganya. Lenyalo ga le cookie, my love, ga ile gore la go palla, ga ile gore wa bona le wena gore ya nong fa gone fa ke bese ya 65 seater nka se kgone go kukana le bese ya go dula kae mo magetleng ga o itseng stress. On the ground, on the floor, limele le fatshe wena o bodira se se matshwanedi o mogolo wa nkutlwa.
So ngenxa kaThabiso Paul nePosh angeke thina sakwazi ukuphosta abantu bethu. Nizobe nisitshela the way imishado yethu iyike ngakhona, the way sifake ihappiness ngakhona. Hey walada wacima kwabhoma. Hey Thabiso 126 girls. Angiyazi into enje. I don't know a thing like this. If you don't know what I'm speaking of, go there by X. It's all over the timeline. I haven't been on TikTok these past couple of days. Yeah. But on X there, it's yeah. No, see, I find out as a country. I find out here. Let's see, I find out because yo, yazo yak papisa bandla. Iposha 2003. Thabiso.
We have another side of the story from Thabiso, also known as King Solomon with 100 concubines. He said his side of the story, then he deactivated his account. A relationship is not a hospital for brokenness. I don't know how many times I've said this to people, but you don't get married because you are broken and you think that marriage is going to fix you because it's going to break you some more and more and more. But before I even continue with my trail of thought, just fast forward to the end of the video to see the statement which was left by Thabiso. Then come back here. This guy is saying Uri, the wife knew about the sad side chick who is trending now. Like he made it clear, Uri, this is my woman. So you take it or leave it. And the second thing is talking about insecurity. Uri, he was being monitored. At the end of the day, a person will do what they want to do. The fact that they're married to you doesn't mean Uri, they're going to stop doing what they want to do. If they want to cheat, they will cheat. This guy is saying Uri was taking care of the lady's family. Like he was supporting them and even taking some of them to school. And when they fail, the family members blame him because he's the one who chose the courses and all of that stuff. And he's saying he's busy persuading his doctoral studies while the woman on the other hand does not have a formal qualification. This goes back to what I always say. Or sometimes they didn't marry you because you are the brightest light in the chandelier. They married you because you are convenient for them to flourish in whatever that they're doing. Because for you to even come forward and tell us how little knowledge your wife has, but she was worthy of being a wife, meaning she was good enough for you to be able to flourish and be better. You cannot have your husband taking care of your family, because if a man takes care of your family, there's no respect there. And there's a reason why these things are being highlighted. And I do understand where my brother is coming from when he's highlighting all of these things, because he feels like he's being attacked and he wants to defend himself. But now you understand, as a family, you can't be having your brother-in-law taking care of you. Guys, you had no business getting married. To be quite honest, the two of you had no business getting married. The other one thought they were going to be the builder and build the other one. The other one, they thought, the other one will change and they will grow together and heal them of whatever. But you guys, in conclusion, had no business getting married. Now, unfortunately, you get to learn the hard way. Or a marriage is not a hospital for brokenness. And I fold.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, yabona nje kunzima emshadweni, kunzima kakhulu mangabe i-relationship yenu it's out there, everyone is involved, nenza ngayo content, because now mase kwenzeka izinto eziso vele you have to expose everything ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi what's going on, bangaboni nje indoda seyiposta with another woman or umfazi sekaposta with another man ba confused, bangazi ukuthi what's going on. So endabeni yokuposta guys, kwenza content around ama relationship, imishado. Hi guys, wonke umuntu une choice yakhe. Wonke umuntu une choice yakhe. Mafila ngazathi wena ufuna ukuposta, posta. Bakhethe uqhubekele phambili naye futhi uphinde umposte. It's up to you. Ifoni yakho, idata yakho, content yakho, it's up to you. But it's so sad. Mase sekuthi sen exposana kanjena yonke into say out there, like everything is exposed, and I'm feeling so sorry for abantwana cause bona basicelelanga yonke leyo nto le. Hey kunzima guys. Anyway, uGayi nango respondile na ama screenshot wakhe lana. You can pause and read it for yourself. And then please comment below. Tell us what do you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.